what you was coming today. You guys, I got a couple DIYs. So I'm gonna do those real quick. Yeah, we just got some DIYs to do. Let's get started. We got the Wreath, we got the Thrifted bunny. Okay, you guys, this is the finish of the rabbit. He looks cute. You still can see a little of the blue, which is fine because the way he's going to be sitting on the porch, he's going to be turned like that, so you really can't see it. I was thinking about tying something around his neck, like some ribbon, making a bow, making them look all Easterish, put like a cute bow around his neck. I am debating about that. Let's make a bow and see what he look like with his bow. See what she, let's make her she, since we're gonna put a bow on her neck. See what she looks like with her bow and go from there. Yeah, let's make a bow. Okay, you guys, I know this is a big mess, but we started on this wreath. Let me show y'all the wreath. Isn't it cute? Excuse the stuff in the background, but we doing several DIYs. Okay, so I use this mesh from Dollar Tree. It's got the pink, purple, blue, yellow. Then this one, not this one. Where's the other one? This one. It has the pink, yellow, and blue. So I cut them like this, and I made several of them. I already used 2 rolls. This is 1 roll so far, and this is like the small wreath. It's not the big wreath. It's probably like a medium size. It's not really big. Y'all facing this light. Hold on. Ugh. There we go. So it won't look so crazy. But we're not going to cover this whole wreath. We're just going to do like another half of it. Probably like 80% of it. Then we're going to use, I think we might use this Happy Easter sign. Okay, you guys, I don't know why I didn't do this beforehand, but I don't like the, see, this, don't like it, and then this, I don't like, so I'm going to paint them all black. But how I put this on the back of here, just a bunch of glue, literally, crap load of glue. I tried to use the, let me find it, that cheap Dollar Tree glue at first, but I added it in this glue. I'll show you guys. This little cheap Dollar Tree glue. But let's, my bad, let's fix this because I don't like it. So, and just like that, it's fixed. Do this one as well. not trying to make it perfect, y'all. I'm just trying to get rid of the so-called clear. Have to be perfect. We're just trying to get rid of. Okay, you guys, here is the finish. It turned out cute. I wanted to add some eggs to it, but I wasn't sure if they would blow off with the wind. And then here is our little bunny sitting in the corner. Super cute. So that's all I have for this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, if it's your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay. Hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, we got more I got planned for the porch. Of course, my plants and all that normally I put out, but with the way we're quarantining right now, I got another DIY. I wanted to do a welcome sound like I did before at my old house, but can't go to Home Depot or Lowe's to get the products right now. So yeah, and I want to put a fun spring rug outside, but again, the way everything's set up, we can't go nowhere. So we're just gonna leave it like this for right now, and I'll show y'all an updated I'll show you guys an updated video of the porch once we're able to come outside and go out and do everything we need to do. But as for now, this is all we have for the spring. My little plant stand, no plants, so sad. But thanks for watching again. Bye.